Hello guys, today we're going to be looking at windy plains landing. So here's an A330, Airbus A330 landing during a high, severe windy situation, and I think it'll make it. But like right now, the progress is pretty much well done, and it landed. Super landed. This light plane on. I'm not sure if it would, but then I give. 55% chance it might. So this plane's trying to land. Tricky, it might land, you know, because of these serious conditions over here. It might land. I think it might land. Let's see. It's preparing for landing. Oh, that's still on the tires. So it landed. Still on the tires.
Yeah, I think it'll make it.
Tires might have
I'm giving.
So here's
land.
A380 again.
It's windy, but I think the pilot.
I don't think it's the same one, but then it is.
Oh, here's the
same model.
Tires.
Oh no, it's gonna do a round wheel.
Okay, here's the Airbus A330
Boeing
again.
Boeing.
Yeah, I think it has to do a takeover.
It's going for landing. No, it has to go up.
Yeah, see,
Because if you can see, the wings are moving too much. Yeah.
Okay, the Boeing
Takes off again. The planes cannot make themselves stable, so I think that's the reason they take off again.
Windy. Yeah,
This
increasing altitude.
I'm not sure how
Nice.
it's coming, but then these situations are too hard for planes to land. By the way, only person to it. Coming for land. Yeah, it touched the wheels. I think I had to. It has to. Yeah, it has to come over again. Like nearly made it. Touch both of the tires, but then I had to. Oh, here's a Airbus A330 again. Too many Airbus A330s coming here. Maybe it's like pretty reasonable price to. Oh, it's taking off. It needs to do over again. There's Airbus A330 again. Surprised, ain't I? So it's going for landing. Yeah, I think it'll land. It will land. Yeah, it will land. See? And his touchdown. Oh, whoa. Don't go back. Just touchdown. Touchdown. Yeah, touchdown. Glad you touched down. Here's the Airbus A330 again. Oh, I'm not surprised. Well, it's coming for touchdown. Needs to do over again. See, it's too much. It's too unstable. Yeah, it needs to do over. Here it goes up again. Tried. To stabilize. Okay, here's the 30. I think it will land. Yeah, I think it makes it. Yeah, it's coming stable. The pilot's pretty experienced, you see, in such windy conditions. He kept the aircraft stable. Okay, here's another. Pretty lightweight it is. Like all the planes, like all this type of planes, it's pretty hard for them to land. It's coming. Yeah, I think it has to go over. Yeah, it has to go over. Yeah. There's a Boeing. The Boeing 777 here. It might be landing. Okay, it's coming. It has to do over again. The windy conditions are too serious. Experienced are only capable of doing this. Oh, this lightweight plane again. I think this is mostly for cargo or something. It's pretty. I would be vomiting in this plane in this condition, seriously. Too much unstable. It's coming. Yeah, it has to do over. Yeah. Over here it's Airbus again. And I think I have to wait. Okay guys, this is it for today. Bye. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.